So, Sushna Checker, this is a submission for KVH hackathon, topic number 3, news analysis and fake news detection. The solution, a Twitter bot and a website. On website, you can upload any article or headline and the AI model will check whether it is true or false. How it checks? It will extract the keywords from news article and uh, the headline and scrape the internet for the same. It will take news articles from verified handles and then match the keywords and factual and check whether the factuality of news, that how much percent is true or false. Though in the news article, all those statements which are true will be labeled as true by highlighting green, and all those which are found false will be highlighted as false. Similarly, it will we will have a Twitter bot as well, which is currently live on at the rate Sushna Checker. You can check on Twitter. What it also does same thing, but kind of in a much efficient and much better way. So how it functions? It scrapes the trending topics of Twitter every hour, checks most sensitive and relevant topics of which are trending and which are prone to get spammed by fake news, and makes a CSV file like this. You can see which has content like date, user ID, likes, retweet, username, followers, language, verified account, link to the tweet, and tweet content separately. Wherein it basically creates a like whole database of tweets which needs to be verified. Now, once this cluster of CSV file is created, it will again go on to Twitter and scrape once again tweets regarding the keywords which have been repeatedly mentioned in these tweets. Why it does this? This time it will scrape tweets from only those accounts which are verified. Verified accounts are basically accounts like news handles and other government associated handles which are mainstream and are considered to be sharing true news. Using the news scrape in a second data set, we will basically consider that to be a true news, and through that true news we will train our model to check to identify whether the unverified tweets which have been tweeted and have a huge following and good likes and retweet ratio are true or false. If the bot finds whether that the tweet is false, it will basically go and reply on it that this tweet has been flagged as false slash misleading. Kindly check the official article for more, and it will provide the link to official article that you can see this is false. So kindly go and correct it and don't spread fake news. And by replying on a tweet, uh, every other person will be able to see that this tweet is false and we should not believe it and check the right article. So through this, we are doing auto-populating the spread, the source which is spreading fake news article. We are detecting fake news, and it currently works well. How we reached on this idea, we basically studied various research papers. As mentioned below, you can check these. We have provided the article in other documents. And Robot API version 1 and version 2, which allows us to scrape 2 lakh tweets per month. And yeah, and helps us automate the whole process because, yeah, you don't need to manually go and search on Twitter for fake news and all. You can basically enter any keyword on a website and to scrape the tweets also. All the code which we were able to do in 24 hours has been uploaded here, and once selected for grand finale, we will complete the project on our own. Future prospect is currently it is randomly scraping tweets which are trending. In future, you can mention our bot on Twitter and it will check whether a tweet is true or false. And we will provide multilingual support. And like currently, we are only providing English support, that if the article or tweet is English, we can check whether it is true or false. But in future, we can have it for multi-language as well. And once we are able to do this correctly on Twitter, we can move on to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as well to scrape and use similar models to verify whether the news is true or false. Thank you.